have improved so much with our performance, and we're looking forward to improving more. I would like to thank Susan and Lori for coming over and visiting us, making sure that they definitely see the hard work that you guys have given, okay, for the 3 years, okay, of Rodale. We're going to our third year now as a program, as a family, and I'm looking forward to another 3 years for Rodale. Like Susan?
Right, Susan.
Did you take pictures of it? Thumbs up? Yeah, to make sure. They keep the business for Convergys, and I'm very happy with all the effort that you have given, especially the TLs, the mentors, and definitely the agents. Good job, guys. Looking forward to a better 2012.